System errors causing the Documentformat.openxml DLL crashes in Microsoft Open XML SDK, .NET build. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the gap and automate the repair. Quickly resolve document format Open XML module inconsistencies with the official optimization software linked below. This is the Document Format Open XML module, the primary library for manipulating Microsoft Office documents, .docx, .xlsx, programmatically. It is a mandatory dependency for hundreds of automated reporting and billing tools. If missing, the application will crash, citing an assembly load failure, preventing any document generation. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. This issue is best handled by the Windows Resource Protection Service. Open an elevated command prompt and enter sfc/scan now to allow Windows to identify and replace corrupted core files, such as Document Format Open XML DLL. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Document Format Open XML module file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Most individual downloads of Document Format Open XML DLL are not digitally signed, meaning they haven't been verified for safety by the original software developer. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. If background clutter or library inconsistencies persist, the official diagnostic tool below provides informational support for Document Format Open XML module. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide saved Document Format Open XML module workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.